What's up, guys? We got the Traxxas Xmaxx out today. Local favorite bass spot. Not beating the crap out of it as usual. Can't even see it. There it is. Had both of the gaskers out earlier. My Rampage broke. I think the center differential gear broke on it, so it's down. So I've been trying to mess around with the electrics a little bit. Can't even see it. There it is. Can't win for losing with the bodies, man. Of course, I forgot the damn lipos spacer, so I got rags jammed in there. I'm sure it's real good for it too. But what do you do, guys? Do I go home or do I continue playing? Nah, we play. This truck is a blast. See if I can get this knob right here. Watch it destroy it though. Dust. Oh, I'm losing traction. One more. Losing traction. Let's try this again. This time I'm not gonna fly. I had it floored and it couldn't grab traction. Just can't get good enough traction. Just keeps spinning, you know what I mean? It would jump 2 times further than it is. It's just not really grabbing. Uh-oh. Alright guys, with that I think I'm gonna end this video. Appreciate you guys watching, man. Just beating on the Xmaxx a little bit. Thanks.